Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process to transfer the money from PayPal to your bank card. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. Start by logging in into your PayPal account for that. So go ahead and access your PayPal account. After you access it, you can look out for the wallet option and tap on it. Or if not that, you can directly add the bank. For that, from your main home screen of your PayPal, you may scroll down until you reach over the very last section and find a section for cards where you'll be finding an option of link a card. So go ahead and find it up and tap on it. Once you tap on it, here you will directly find an option where you can enter up your card details to link your card. So provide in your card number here and then your expiration date and then the CVV and also your billing address. Once it is provided, you just need to go ahead and tap on this option called link card and you can confirm it up. You can select the option. You can see the available balance for your PayPal and the card you will be adding. So you can just go and look out for it. And then once the card is added, you may head back to the main page and look out for this option called transfer funds. After you tap on it, you will be given an option to transfer the amount. You can select the amount that you would like to transfer from your bank card or from your PayPal and to your bank card. So type in the amount that you would like to transfer and you can select the option of your transfer speed, instant transfer or the standard transfer. And once you do so, you can tap on transfer. And once you complete it up, you should be able to complete the transfer to your linked bank account or your debit card. And that is it. So therefore, everybody, if you'd also like to go ahead and transfer money from PayPal to bank account, this is the method you can follow, pretty quick and easy. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.